Huh?
I don't know. Pa, let's go. I feel pain.
Let's go. Carry? Alana. Oh, Shin-chan. Shin-chan. Oh, that's cute, na? Ah.
Cap.
But the cap I like, they don't have, na?
Yes.
Oh, that cap is different, na? That cap is different.
Can you wear this?
I don't like these glasses.
Why?
I don't like.
Just wear. I want to see. No, not bad.
I know. You see? This one. What?
Try this.
Really?
Can you try? Try for me one time. I want to see.
I don't like this. I don't like it.
Look. Good look.
Where?
I think good look now.
Oh, maybe.
Percy, trust me. I always choose good thing for you.
Yeah, actually, yeah, I know, but I don't. Why I don't like these?
But I don't like the way, you know, this make your face look thick.
Really?
This
This one?
yeah make you look big because they have frame. Yes, they have frame.
It's so tight also.
Believe me.
No, actually, I like small glasses now. They don't have cap.
Can you try this? Is there any look, yeah, looks cool. That's why I told you. Let I try see. Oh, see.
That looks good.
Yes, we should to try this. Let's go.
Wireless. But I know quality is not good now. Otherwise I will buy. Oh, Pichia, yes.
iPhone earplug.
I mean, earphone for iPhone.
Earphone for iPhone. What
Yes.
is AirPod, no?
Not AirPods, Pia. Wire earphone for iPhone.
I don't understand.
Wire earphone for iPhone.
Why earphone?
Wire earphone.
Oh, that what you can order from online.
Oh, yeah, that's what I'm asking. Should I order online or?
Online person. If you want anything, order from online. Trust me.
Oh, it's... Holy moly. This is this is amazing, Pia. Can you see? Oh my god, this is amazing.